Agencija SPIRIT Slovenija že vrsto let v sodelovanju z ITM Worldwide fundacijo iz Švedske organizira ta dogodek, to slavnostno prireditev. V tem vseh letih smo dejansko uspeli posebej 222 uspešnih diplomantov, nabavnih managerjev, kateri izkazujejo iz preteklih let izredne uspehe na podlagi tega programa. To je eden izmed mozaikov dela javne agencije SPIRIT Slovenije za spodbujanje internacionalizacije in pomoč podjetjem pri vstopu na tuje trge. Tako da sem zelo vesel, da bomo tudi nadaljevali s to zgodbo, kako tudi z ostalimi stvarmi. Tako da še enkrat čestitke vsem diplomantom in srečo njihovi poti.
Izjemno čast nam je v imenu podjetja Adria Dom in zelo smo počaščeni, da smo prejemniki te, bi rekel, tako imenovane prestižne nagrade. Res je en doprinos k temu našemu trudu, torej 20-letnemu delovanju, in v teh 20 letih smo že proizvedli 20 000 mobilno knjižico in v teh letih smo se marsikaj naučili.
Grateful to be here in Slovenia with this spirit and everything good you have for this performance. And from ITM board, we are so proud to have one more time really fantastic students and who have this diploma ceremony today. And we have this success because you pick out the right people from every companies in Slovenia. You pick the right ones, and we drill them and train them for 1 year, and we have a really good success with the outcome of benefits for the companies and so on. So we are once more happy to deliver so good students for you. The main benefit from is more export, more profit to the companies, and they have by themselves managed some good team spirit with the other ones in the teams, which they have a good network, they collaborate and make friends forever and so on. So that's really benefits from them individual, for the business, and for Slovenia as such with more exports.